Let's get your home feeling like spring. Spring is all about change. It's about new beginnings, fresh scents, blossoming branches, and bright colors. There's a certain lightness and sparkle that comes with warmer weather. Well, here in Canada anyway. The birds are chirping, the skies are bluer. Well, today it's a little bit rainy, but the snow is gone. You get the picture. Changing your home decor to match this new changing season is kind of a great feeling. And it's not just about decorating with flowers and new pillows, although I do discuss that too. It can be more than that, and sometimes you may not even have to go shopping. So let's get to it. Spring is all about a fresh new start with new colors, a burst of nature, new shapes, and a little spark. These are my top 5 tips for spring decorating. Okay, you need a clean slate before you start decorating and bringing new things into your home. And a good spring cleaning always includes some kind of decluttering. In fact, it's a great time for that saying, if you're starting to hate, donate. I'm pretty sure I just made that up. For a fresh new start, take a look at all your decorative stuff on your shelves and remove them all, including all the stuff on your coffee table as well. You may even include items from your front hall console. Just lay them out on the floor, like a church bazaar. And now, go shopping. Not literally go out and shop. I mean, shop your own items. Select items and place them in new locations. They can be on the same shelf, but in a different spot. Rearrange them in a new way, grouping items differently than they were before. Maybe you'll find you don't need all of them back on the shelves. Take those items you're not so crazy about and store them away. Or donate them. Someone will be so glad you did. Same with your kitchen counters. Clear them completely and start with a fresh new canvas. Maybe you can move a vase that was in your living room to your kitchen with flowers or cooking utensils. This is your opportunity to reuse items you've already purchased in new and exciting ways. Rearranging your decorative items is a great way to change things up just a little in your home, and you don't even need to spend any money. Shop your own home. Add color. When I think of spring, I think of bright colors. A burst of spring flowers after a gray winter is such a great way to reinvigorate your space. Spring is all about bright pinks and yellows and purples and greens. Well, just about any color. So changing out your cushions and throws is a great way to introduce a burst of new color into your home. I always recommend to my clients when they're ordering pillows to order a few extra with a more spring-like color in mind. Or the opposite and have some more warm and fuzzy textured pillows for the winter. In any case, adding color to your living room is a must. These pillows will instantly bring that wow factor to your living space. It's a great way to add color and pattern and a lively spirit to your home. Another great tip, having more than one set of pillows can take up quite a bit of storage. So look for pillows in the same size as your current pillow inserts so you get the look of 2 sets without all the bulk. And another great tip, you don't actually have to change out all your pillows. Add just one extra pillow that will bring that little jolt of color. Take your existing color palette and pick one color from that palette and make that color more intense and more vibrant. Like here, adding this deeper solid green pillow adds that little jolt of excitement for a spring look. Or if you have a fairly neutral palette, add one bright floral pillow to your couch and voila! I love this large floral print too. Instant spring. So you don't need to go out and buy a whole bunch of new pillows. It really only takes 1 or 2 pillows to make a difference. Move your things. Just like rearranging your shelves, did you know you can move your things from one room to another? Some things, not all things, but some things. And moving these things around can make your room look and feel different. First, pillows. I love moving out some of my pillows from my living room and using them in my bedroom for a change of something. Adding square poofy pillows is a great way to redecorate your bed. It doesn't always have to be pillow shams and matching linens. If you've got throws that are usually in your family den, maybe they'd look great in another room. Try it out, why not? One great tip, I like buying things that can work in several different settings. Items that are flexible, like baskets. The baskets that were once in your laundry room could be in your mudroom. Just change them up and see what happens. A large basket like this that would have been a lovely choice in your bathroom for collecting laundry could be moved to your living room to store blankets and throws. My favorite thing to move around, lighting. Table lamps and floor lamps are easily moved to new locations. Why not? Why not just for spring? Something different. This floor lamp could easily look great in your bedroom or in your home office. It doesn't have to be big changes. Small little things make a big difference. I love having a runner in my kitchen, but maybe I might want to change that up too. Sure, I can purchase another runner, but what happens with the current runner? Maybe move it to the hallway. Why not? Why not just for spring? Something different. If you have a bench in your entryway, see if it fits at the foot of your bed. If you have a dining room with chairs at either end of the table, move those ones out to other spaces in your home. Use them to decorate a corner or a nook. Add some greenery, and all of a sudden, you have a new grouping of furniture without buying more furniture. When you need them back, they can easily be moved back. Moving furniture and decor is easy, so go ahead and change things up. It's like creating new shapes in your rooms, a new feeling, like a fresh new start. Why not? Add nature. Yes, add flowers. Of course, adding floral arrangements will make your home feel like spring. But it's not just the flowers. Consider their containers too. I love the look of clear vases for spring flowers. Hydrangeas are one of my favorites because their large blooms really make an impact above a clear glass vase. Blooming branches are so pretty this time of year too. I love the look of them on kitchen counters and hallway consoles. There's something about the clarity of the container that draws your eyes to the blooms in such a beautiful, simple way. There's nothing more spring than that. And it doesn't have to be flowers. The look of a few bold green leaves in a tall vase can be quite stunning. Buy a bunch of these and you can scatter them around your home, 1 or 2 leaves at a time. Tall vases, short vases, they'll all look so elegant. Also, you can head to your local garden center and purchase all sorts of small herb plants. Group these together and place them in some beautiful containers of different sizes, and they look fresh and bright on this windowsill. Bringing the outdoors in is always a huge part of decorating our homes, and as the seasons change, those natural elements can change too. Add sparkle and clarity. There's something about glass and mirrors and shiny metals that makes me think of the energy that spring ushers forward. It's a magical spark that ignites all the new growth. So you kind of want that indoors too. I've already mentioned that I love clear glass vases for spring floral arrangements because they are so elegant. That clarity is such a fresh look too. I love the look of tall glass vases with twigs and pillar candles like this. It's like it's barely there. So elegant, not fussy, just simple and pretty. I mean, glass is kind of a magical thing. And then there's mirrors and shiny metals. For instance, coffee tables end up becoming clutter zones. Stuff just accumulates there for some reason. So declutter and rearrange your coffee table decor before mixing beautiful floral arrangements with mirrored trays and glass bowls. A perfect little vignette for spring. Brass and silver are also beautiful to decorate with. And I especially love the idea of changing out artwork and replacing them with mirrors for a fresh new look for the season. So if you have a piece of art, consider changing it to a mirror for that spring spark. You may not even have to hang it on the wall. I love this mirror leaning behind a piece of art like this. Just the simple act of decorating with glass, mirrors, and shiny metals will make your space sparkle for spring. It's like capturing sunshine indoors. So here's your takeaway. Every spring is a fresh new start. Before you decorate, declutter your shelves and counters, and then rearrange and redecorate with your very own things. Add a burst of spring color with a whole new set of pillows, or just a few strategically chosen pillows, while plants and greenery can be just as impactful as roses and hydrangeas. Mix mirrors, shiny metals, and clear glass for elegance and sparkle, and don't forget, furniture and decor doesn't have to be stationary. Moving table lamps, area rugs, and chairs to other rooms are just a few small things that can change up your decor without shopping. It's the little things that can make all the difference. And spring is here, so let's all change a little. Thanks for watching this little design tip. I'll have lots more design tips just like this one coming soon, so don't forget to subscribe. Hit that notification button so you don't miss the next video. If you need more personalized help, look for me on Patreon for virtual design advice. Let me know in the comments below which of these spring decorating ideas you're going to try out. I'm excited to read your thoughts. And as always, if you like this video, please hit that like button. It helps to grow this channel. Thanks again, and I'll see you soon.